Hello everyone, welcome to this video. First of all, I want to congratulate you for coming this far. We have covered most of the basic Python concept that we needed for this course. In this video, we're going to look at the last concept that we needed in this course, which is a module. A module is a file that contains a set of functions that we want to use in our application or in our program. And if you want to use a module in our program, you have to import it using the import keyword. For example, let's say we want to import the math module. We will use the import keyword followed by the name of the module, which is math. This math module will give us access to a bunch of functionalities that you can use in our program. For example, if you want to find a square root of a number, you will use this math module and then dot square root function, and then the number that you want to find its square root. So it will give us access to this function that you can use to find the square root of a number. Let's store this in a variable a and print this variable onto our screen. If you run our file, it's going to return the square root of 16, which is 4. So the point is, these modules will give us access to these functions that you can use on our programs. Let's see the random module. So if you want to generate a random number, you will have to import the random module. And this module will give us access to functions that you can use to generate a random number. For example, if you want to generate a random number between a certain range, you'll have to use random.randint, and this randint function will generate for us a random number between, or a random integer between a certain range. For example, let's say we want to generate a random integer between 1 and 10. If we store this in a variable, into the screen and run our file, it's going to return a random integer between 1 and 10. It has returned 3. If you run our file again, it has returned 8, 8, 8, 10, 8, 2, 1, 6, 4. So this randint function will generate for us a random integer between a certain range. So for example, you have specified between 1 and 10.